Good morning, everybody. So today we're gonna start. Happy New Year's to everybody. It's January 1st. We're gonna start with working on the car. So we're gonna start welding. I'm gonna weld just half of it because I don't think I have that much welding wire, but we're gonna just weld. So right now I'm just gonna move the car this way. I started cleaning over here a little bit and I threw away a bunch of stuff, but now we're gonna just clean. Well, we're gonna move the car this way. Oh wow, so close. So see you in a bit. So just moved a little bit, not too far from there. So we're just gonna work on this area right here because it's the cleanest and there's not that much rust over here. I need to do a patch right there and I don't have the things to do it right now, so I'm not gonna do that side. I might do the frame rails right there and then back down there, and then obviously over here is gonna be all of it. That big hole right there, it's for the brake line, so I'm not gonna cover that. Most of these are gonna be covered, but I don't know how much I'm gonna cover. I still need to degrease all this, so I'm gonna weld all this right here, here. Well, I need to wire brush all that, but all that is gonna be welded. So these holes like right here, I don't know if I'm gonna, patch them up or what, but for now they're gonna stay. These are gonna stay, this is gonna stay. I'm just gonna concentrate right here. Oh my God. This bracket, I'm gonna just break it off. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Up there, I don't think I'm gonna do something, but I don't know if I should do here and here. I think if I just do like every inch from here front is more than enough. This part right here, I don't think it matters because it is welded pretty close here too. But still, I'm gonna wire brush all this. I'm not gonna bore you with that, so I'm gonna put you on the time loop and I'm gonna pull out the welder. It's already prepped I cleaned it, I wiped it down. I'm not gonna do this side because my thingy is like, I can't do nothing with it. So I need to buy one. Everything is closed. It's January 1st, so you have to do this. So I'm just gonna do this part right from there, from here to here. The top, it has like a weird little triangle right here. On top, all this around and up here. Well, no, not up there. Just around here, here, this weird square right there, and then go down in this way. Because I don't have a wheel brush, I can do this side right here. That side in the bottom, that's already done. That's it, pretty much. I can't do. Oh, and the top. Oh yeah, I might do that. Both tops and this. So I put the camera up there to see the videos. So this is the result right here, there. It looks bad. It's because right here there's like a hole. So that happened there, but all these that were like flat, they came out pretty good. This one came out like, that one is pretty like straight. That one burned because obviously all that is rusted in the inside. There also, see all this part is all rusty. Right here, that weld came out good. This one came out good. I was gonna weld down there. Didn't have time. It's already late. I had to go buy a wheel, that thing. And I might heat up this and hammer it. Like make it, flatten it out like this right here. I hit this one and it came out pretty good. Here, I'm gonna wheel brush this really quick to see how it looks. But you can see the floor. So pretty much I went through. This part right here is rusty. Yeah, you can feel it. But yeah, I might hammer all the edges, that way it's closer. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now because it's freezing and I work tomorrow. So I got my little coat. I don't know if this is called a coat or what. Forgot what they call it. And so yeah. Oh, look at this. I know I showed this in the last video, but I was taking measurements and where was it? This one, my frame is like right here. Like it has to be straight. This one right here is not gonna work for me, but I might cut here because I still need to use that arm and just weld this here and then weld this bracket like on top or like in front of it, like right here. That way I can do that control arm or whatever it's called, like adjustable. That way I can make it work, but it has to be straight because my car the frame rail is straight. So that's my only issue right there. I don't know if all this is gonna be in the way. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Obviously all this is, I'm gonna take out everything out. That way I'm just working with this, with the frame. The diff has to be welded. Obviously all this has to be powder coated. What else? What else? I don't know. Do I have to reinforce this? I don't know. I don't know if I have to reinforce it, because it is pretty beefy. Like, it's like really, really beefy. Really, really beefy. Jesus. So I don't know what kind of diff this is. So I don't know if it's LSD or what. The sway bar. Am I running sway bars in the back? I think so. But I saw an upgraded one. And there's a lot, not much of a difference. It's like maybe like a little bit more. But yeah, all these bushings, I need to change them because they're all cracked. These things, I didn't know that this came off. So yeah, I don't know how to take those out. And yeah, I don't know if I should powder coat it. That's gonna be expensive. And all these arms, these are cheap. So I'm just gonna buy all these arms brand new. These are like $60 both of them. That long one, I don't know how much is it. But that one looks just like the one I have in my car. Except it doesn't have that hole for the sway bar. But with the drill, you can do anything. Yeah, right there. Yeah. But yeah, it didn't came out that bad. Well, like if you see the welds right here. See, had good penetration. So I saw the guy that I was watching, he made also he welded here too. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. But that's gonna be a problem for some other day. See how all this is all rusty? I'm not even showing, oh my god. Oh, this is all rusty, that's why it went through. Like right there. Oh my god, it's cold. So it's gonna be it for this video. I'm just gonna clean up and put everything away. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what engine is going in the car. That's from a IS 300 2003, I think it was. Lexus, obviously, IS 300. So I need the front one, obviously from the same car, because I don't want to buy brakes for one car and then brakes for the front from a different one. So it's gonna be all the same brakes. And yeah, I might have to paint all that again. I wonder if I can just sandblast all of it. How much would it cost just to sandblast everything? That would be dope. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next time. Peace.